Hello friends, today I have with me a very interesting product. I recently purchased this from Amazon. I was actually in need of this product since a long time, and I was reviewing all the products that were available in Amazon, and I found this very nice with the right price, and it suited exactly what I was searching for. So this actually is a phone and a tablet stand. It's from a company called SooPii. This is a mobile and a tablet stand. The price of this product quoted here is 1,999, but I actually got this for about 750 rupees. And yep, so let me quickly open up this box and show you what comes inside and what this product is all about. So it is dual angle adjustable. It is also height adjustable from 10 cm to 16.5 cm. It is foldable and portable. Looking at the size, I think it indeed is portable. We'll look at how the device actually is when I open inside, and it says it's sturdy and protective. The weight of the box, I can sense it's heavy, so I think it definitely is not made of plastic. That's what I'm thinking about when I hold the box itself. It's quite heavy. So this is the product. It comes in this nice plastic wrapping, and yep, so this is the phone and the tablet stand. As you can see, the base is, even though it is plastic, but it is heavy. It carries some weight, which is good because if the base is heavy, then I know that this is going to be stable when I put my phone or a tablet. So this is what the product is. It's a phone stand, and it has an adjustable neck here. So we just have to pull it, press it here. Yeah, so it has an adjustable neck. So if I want to extend, then I will push this up and it extends up till here. And this is made of aluminum. This is not plastic, guys. This is aluminum, and as I said, the base is very, very heavy. So even if I have to keep a tablet or a phone, I know that it's going to be very, very stable because of this heavy base. This is where the phone needs to be kept. It has a rubber texturized back, so I think it will make this stand non-slippery, so I don't have to worry about the phone slipping around. And then at the base, we also have this rubber paddings, which is good. And this is also adjustable, so we can adjust at different angles. And as I said, the neck also is adjustable, so I can adjust the height so whether I am having a tablet or a phone, I can accordingly adjust this height to based on my requirements. So looking at the product, guys, I think it looks very, very good. It's very heavy, as I said. Even though it's made of plastic, almost all the parts are made of plastic, but the base is I think there may be some metal components inside, which makes the base very, very heavy, and also that it has an aluminum neck here, which makes this product very sturdy. I would say the build quality is very, very good. It doesn't look like a very cheap product. It is made out of very good quality plastic, and it should fit any mobile phone and also a tablet. So let me quickly show you how it looks like with my phone on the stand. Overall feedback, a very nice product, robustly built and very reasonably priced as well. And apart from buying this for yourself, I think it will be a great gift as well for your loved ones. If you're interested to buy, I would leave the Amazon buying links in the description below. Please do use the link to support my channel. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.